Regardless of which type of YouTube video you're recording, probably at some point you're gonna need screen recording. If you're doing some sort of art lesson in which you need to show yourself drawing, you're gonna need it. But even if you need just to show a website or how to access some kind of system, also screen recording is gonna be super useful. So let me show you how to do it on a Mac, on a Windows, and also on any kind of mobile device like a tablet or a smartphone. So first of all, for a Mac or a Windows computer, my favorite option is to use OBS. It's actually a platform designed more for streaming, but its screen recording capabilities are so good that I can't recommend it enough. It's quite simple, but there are some tricks to it, so let me show you. So here, obviously, I'm recording the screen with another software so that I can show you the screen recording software, which is OBS. And it looks very trippy like this because it's recording the screen itself, so it's just repeating itself. The only thing here that you need to set properly is coming here to the settings, and you need to set the output, meaning where your file is going to end up. In this case here, I chose the folder where I'm saving all the files for this project. And if you need the audio, which kind of audio do you need? The desktop audio from where it should be coming, and also if you have a microphone, where it should be. Okay, that's all you need there. The other very important thing to do is to check here the sources. So here is where you're gonna set what is it going to record. In this case, I just set display capture, meaning that it's going to capture the whole screen. So if I change to another window, to another software, if I go back here to DaVinci, for example, it's going to record the DaVinci screen. If I come back to OBS, it's going to record this screen. And that's how it works. But you can also set it to record only one specific window. So you can come up here to the plus sign and just choose exactly what you want. So let's say, for example, that you just want here to capture a specific window. You can give it a name, and inside here, it's going to list inside window all of the softwares that you have open. And you can select one of those. So even if you just open another software on top of that one, the screen recorder is going to consider only that software. And the moment that you add it, it's going to be here on top, so you can have screen recordings on top of screen recordings. In this case here, I don't want it, so I'm just going to delete this and erase it or just like cancel it entirely. Yes. And I'm just going to keep the normal screen recording here. So for a computer and a Mac, both, I'm going to use OBS. If it's on a smartphone or a tablet, I'm just going to use the internal screen recording feature, which is going to be more than enough for this. Now, one golden tip, especially if you're doing something like I'm doing right now, in which I'm showing you the screen recording, but at the same time I'm recording with a camera. So I have two different video files, but I need also to synchronize them. So as while I'm talking, actually the correct thing is appearing on screen. To do that, it's very important that you set also the screen recording to record a microphone audio like this one. This way you have the audio on both videos, and you can synchronize it super easy on DaVinci. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, screen recording is done. Let's go to the next lesson where we're going to talk a little bit about color correction and color grading.